This is my mate Vicky, and she's actually the best driving instructor that I know. She's so highly qualified. You didn't know I was going to say this.
No, I
so
didn't.
highly qualified that she actually works for RoSPA, works for the Royal Society for the Prevention of Accidents. There's nobody better qualified to help us understand whether you've passed your test or you're learning to drive, how to not have an accident. It can help everyone, because who wants to have a crash? Insurance is long, and if we can have some of these RoSPA tips, which I've been getting for the last couple of days, they're gold. So we can still have fun on the road, but we can be safer with it at the same time. Ready?
Yes.
We're also side quest at Darlington Driving Test Centre. So if your driving test is here, this video is going to be double helpful. You know that I like to rate and review the driving test centres. I've not been inside Darlington.
I have though, and it's my new favourite test centre, I think.
Yeah?
Yeah, I really rate it here. I think it's really nice.
Give me a facilities rating out of 10. 10 is perfect, 1 is shocking.
Big waiting room.
Yeah?
Windows so you can see the car coming back in, so you don't have to stand outside in the rain.
Oh, nice.
Toilet.
Good toilets?
Yeah, good toilets.
Is there showers?
Shower at the test centre?
Yeah, Southend's got showers.
No, be here.
No joke.
No, there's no shower then.
Southend got 11 because it had so much
No.
facilities, but showers are not essential.
Well, maybe it's at 8 then.
8, okay, fair.
Yeah.
That is a very high score. So as we're driving around, we're going to rate the area to tell you what the ambience, the energy and the atmosphere is like. Plus then we're going to rate the difficulty in passing at Darlington. Should you take your driving test here? We're going to find out alongside how to not have an accident.
Please don't crash my car.
This is a Volkswagen ID3.
Yes. And I love it.
As you can already see from the pedal cam, it's automatic. But you know what I'm going to say? You think you know what I'm going to say. Because I'm automatic, just drive a manual, but actually I love an electric car.
Yay! And this is nice. It's nice to drive.
Yeah, it's so smooth.
Yes.
Power is immediate.
How not to crash my car, Francis?
Okay, so RoSPA, tell me a little bit about what RoSPA does and why they're a thing.
So they don't just do in car stuff, it's like accidents that you could have in anything. So drowning or
Oh, really? I didn't
trips
know
and
that.
falls. And so I specifically work with their fleet training team.
Interesting.
Yeah, so I'm really lucky, and I get sent all over the UK at loads of different businesses and go and look at what their driving needs looks like. So how we can reduce people's risk on the road.
Uh-huh.
After 70 yards.
Oh,
We're going right, dude.
I was not concentrating on that at all. Is tip 1 to concentrate on where you're going?
Yeah, absolutely. And that's another thing, we all think we're really good at multitasking and we're absolutely rubbish at it. You can switch between tasks quickly, but nobody can multitask.
Oh, is that actually a thing?
Yeah, that's actually a thing.
Okay.
So you can get better at going quickly between 2 tasks, but you can't multitask.
You can't do 2 things at once?
No. But yeah, so it's not really an accident if you have a crash, because it was probably someone's fault. So you have incidents, crashes and collisions, but not really accidents.
Oh, we used to call them car accidents. Is that not a thing anymore?
no. And like road traffic accidents,
come
but
on.
they're not, they're road traffic collisions.
They should have waited, right?
Yeah.
Come on.
But priority is given, not taken, isn't it? So you didn't have priority because I didn't give you it.
Fair, yeah. It was
Could
my
you have
priority.
anticipated that better?
They weren't slowing down.
Yeah.
No, they weren't slowing down at all.
So yes, then could you have anticipated that then?
What, I'd given way to them?
Yes.
Is this a RoSPA thing?
Yeah.
Like anticipating and planning better?
Yeah.
So when you're driving on the road, what do you do?
So scan the area around you, far, middle, near, rear, constantly.
Rear's behind you?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So as far as you can, middle, near, rear. What can you see that might go wrong? What can't you see that will go wrong? Because we're really good at planning for the hazards we can see. We're not so great at planning for hidden hazards that we can't see.
Okay.
So
Like what?
So what could be, as you turn out of here, what could go wrong? What type of hazards do you think we might have?
Motorbike coming flying.
Yeah, absolutely.
So what, I'd just be more cautious?
Yeah.
Or just if you're thinking about the stuff that you can't see yet, then you're more likely to avoid it.
And especially, you're thinking motorbike because you ride motorbike.
Uh-huh.
So the majority of people are not thinking motorbike because they don't ride a motorbike, know anybody who rides a motorbike. You look for what you are. So car drivers are looking for other car drivers. They're not looking for motorbikes.
Or cyclists or
Yeah,
pedestrians.
absolutely. Quite often go, oh, sorry mate, didn't see you. Well, it's not Harry Potter. They didn't just appear out the ground. Like, they were there, you just didn't see because you weren't looking for them.
So what can I do to be more aware?
Approach slower, take time to scan, look and look again.
Okay. So look twice. Don't just come to the
Yeah.
mouth of a road and go like, bosh, bosh, clear, go.
Yes.
Okay. So when I've just passed my driving test,
Yeah.
what's the best thing that I can do to keep safer? Because that's when I'm most likely to crash, right? Because I don't know what I'm doing.
The best thing you can give yourself is time and space.
Okay. Explain.
So if we've got space around us and time to deal with a hazard, then we shouldn't hit one, should we? If you always know where everything is and we've got the right amount of time and space around us, that means we could take avoiding action.
Following distance.
So following distance, clearance, passing things, distance between what we've got behind us. So say this van and the Mini in front, the van stopped and the Mini had to brake hard, could we pull up slowly enough behind it that we wouldn't now affect the blue car behind us?
Yeah. Oh, smart. Actually, you're so right. Because I know somebody who's recently passed, an extremely popular learner, we will name no names, who had an accident because the following distance wasn't adequate enough. It was raining, there was a sudden brake in front of her, and then she braked, and it wasn't a sharp enough brake to not smash into the back of this thing.
In front they're already braking.
Yeah, should I be braking?
So where's the car behind us? What are they doing?
Not braking.
Okay. So do we want them to brake though? Because we don't want them on the back of our car, do we? So how do we get them to back off?
The car behind?
Yeah.
Oh, right, so just light up the brake lights?
Yeah.
Tap it, light up the brake lights.
Just gently, gradually brake, just keep them on. Because if you put them on and take them off, you're not braking anymore, are you? So they're going to close that gap up.
So what you would do is brake so gently and slow down to such a slow speed way before we hit the van, or get to the van,
Yes.
that
So
they've stopped.
Yeah. But without like disrupting the flow of traffic. We don't want to be like slowing down to the point where we're annoying people.
Okay.
That's not good for anybody.
So we're going to go right on the next roundabout, so we're in the right lane.
But you've got a choice of two lanes.
Have I? Yeah, the middle lane. Okay, fine. All right, RoSPA.
So you could go, well, because there's only two exits off the roundabout. There's left, which was Darlington North there.
Yeah.
Or we can go right, A66 side, in either lane here.
Oh, damn it.
Well, you're not technically wrong.
No.
But if you were a learner
Why does that
on
sign
your...
say there's 3 lanes coming up then?
Because it does,
there
because
is.
it splits. But if you were a learner here on your test, which lane would you probably prefer to be in?
You would want the left, that middle lane.
Yes.
Not incorrect to be here, just make sure you get back to the left.
Absolutely.
At some point before you get undertaken. Let's stop there. Oh! That wasn't the game.
No.
Oh!
And if there had been a car behind you,
They would have been not braking
and they
before we
wouldn't,
stopped.
you look like you committed to go, and then you changed your mind and stopped. I know it's not really your fault if anybody drives in the back of you.
But we
Is
don't
it? But-
want an accident for no reason.
No. It's because it's a huge inconvenience to you, even if it wasn't your fault. Because lots of people think, oh, well, what difference does it make? It's like they've crashed into me. But actually, you've still got to phone your insurance, go through the
Yeah.
hassle,
Your car
provide
gets
all
taken
of your
away.
details. Yeah. Then you've got to get a hire car. They might not drop it off at a time that's convenient for you.
Yeah, it's
we all know
loads
we've
of
got
hassle.
loads of rubbish in the car that we keep with us all the time. We've got to empty all this out now. Then,
And
if it's a non-fault accident, your insurance premiums will still go up till
Yes,
the
I
claim
was gonna say
settles.
that.
Oh, sorry.
it's not your no.
So,
It's not your fault, but your money still goes up next year.
yeah.
Way cheeky. So cheeky because you've been in an accident,
Yeah.
even though it wasn't your fault.
No. So it's just better not to be involved in one, isn't it?
Oh, 100%. This is a hard test route.
Do you think?
I've done those tricky roundabouts.
Yeah.
I'm on a 70 dual carriageway.
Yeah.
Ask a learner from London, learners, if you're from London, tell me if this is like, feels mental to you.
And then we'll go up this exit just here.
Okay. I mean, I can drive at 70, but I know that most of the people that I've taught would find this difficult.
Really
because
hard.
You have to go quite far away you have to go really far away from where I live to find anywhere even close to this speed.
Really?
Yeah. So a lot of people might have done it once, even twice,
Yeah.
but they wouldn't have done it regularly enough to be confident at that on a driving
Yeah.
test.
And then when you get to test centres like this, like you've got Darlington and you are straight on busy dual carriageways, but then you've sort of like, we're quite rural now as well, so you've got to be good at town driving and multi-lane carriageways and rural. So you're getting tested on everything, which that's not a bad thing because it means you've practiced everything.
100 yards.
So should be a better
You'll be a better
all-round
driver.
driver.
After. Yeah. And actually then, if you've just passed in London, where 90% of your driving is 20 miles an hour. You've done a little bit of 30 because that's
Yeah.
like one stretch of road somewhere.
But then I suppose if you've driven up here and then you've got to go to a busy city, that would feel really daunting.
No, because it's 20 miles an hour everywhere. How much accident can you have at 20 miles an hour?
Yeah, well, you'd be surprised.
Oh, really?
Yeah, lots of collisions happen at slow speeds, don't they? Like manoeuvring speed and stuff. Because people perceive the risk to be less.
So they concentrate less?
Yes.
Okay.
So in slow moving traffic, that's when people are more likely to start having a drink of the water bottle, quick check of your phone, messing about with your settings.
Yeah.
Like reaching for something out your glove box, realising that you want something out your bag on the back seat. That's the type of times where people perceive the risk to be less.
Yes.
And then switch off.
Okay.
Yeah. So what type of hazards are you expecting driving along here? Because if we can plan for them, then we can avoid them.
I don't know, not really anything, because I can see all the way down to that bend.
Okay.
And there's nothing, even an entrance to a road along
Okay.
here. Are you thinking maybe a deer jumps out?
Possibly.
Horses jump out?
Yeah. Like a show jumper.
Maybe. What hazards would you be expecting along here? Because you're RoSPA Gold.
It rained earlier, so there could be some standing surface water and puddles to the side.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. We've got signs there telling us that we've got a public footpath. Did you see it? So potentially people crossing. There
Okay.
isn't a footpath. So if there was a pedestrian walking along here, where would they be?
In the road.
Yeah, walking towards us.
I'll be mental to be walking along here. The speed limit's 60 miles an
Yeah,
hour.
but if you live here, it's probably not mental, is it? You probably just do it all the
If
time.
you live here and you don't have a car, just stay in your house. You're gonna get run
That's it,
over.
just stay there forever. So, and the fact that there was public footpaths and stuff that cross, it must be a walking route. Then there are concealed entrances and exits. So as we come along here, what I'd be looking for is, have we got any gaps in the trees or hedgerows? Because if we have, there's probably an entrance and an exit.
Do you see what I mean? Do you get this? Like, she's actually the best driving instructor.
It's not just what people think, no?
If all driving instructors could just be Vicky, please, we'd have the safest roads.
Cross the roundabout.
I was driving down that road thinking a horse is going to jump out. And then Vicky's like, dosh, 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 like a computer. Matrix brain. Why did you join RoSPA? Why is this a thing?
Yeah, I wanted to upskill and be a better instructor, and I wanted to be a better driver as well. So I went and did my advanced driving test, and then I really wanted to do fleet training and learn more. Like, what does driving look like for other people? What does it look like when you've passed your test? Because it's not just new drivers that crash. Like, complacency kicks in, and everyone's just at risk of crashing. Like, so yeah, what does that look like? What do other people's risks like? What does driving look like in different businesses, and what different risks are there, and how can we change people's attitude around driving?
What's the best place you've done driver training, or the best like company? Because that's what you do with RoSPA.
Yeah, probably. I was at the airport for 3 months at Stansted Airport, and I absolutely loved being at the airport.
Training up their ground staff.
So the people they're an amazing company, they provide a fantastic service. So if you've got mobility issues and you might not be able to board a plane and you need some assistance, so the bridge
That goes up and down. that drives around.
Absolutely. Or minibus from the gate to the plane. You might be able to get up the steps, but you might not be able to walk through the terminal. Or you might need a push in your wheelchair. So they provide an amazing service, but it's high risk, isn't it?
Driving around an airport.
Yeah.
Where there's planes, yeah, I can imagine.
Yeah. So what their risk was completely different to maybe somebody who works on a chemical plant.
Interesting.
But for the majority of people at work, the biggest risk that they've got in their day is travelling to and from work.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Is
Unless
that
you've got like
because
a crazy risky job.
Because you're thinking about work before work, or you're thinking about home before home.
Yeah,
not
well, when
thinking
you
about the road.
drive, how often do you actually think about driving? What else are you thinking about when you're driving?
No, it's fully autopilot.
Yeah.
Because you just do it so much. It's like walking. You're not thinking
Yeah.
about left foot, right foot, left foot,
No.
right foot. You just do it.
Yeah. Which is, fine until it's not fine. It's fine until it goes wrong, isn't it?
Best tip for... I'm coming up to my driving test. I'm nervous. Help me. And this actually happened to me recently.
Test nerves are a real thing. And it's normal to be nervous. That's a complete normal reaction that your body goes through. It's a chemical reaction that's set off. And you don't have a massive amount of control over that, but you can control sort of then what your brain thinks about that afterwards.
Okay, go.
So try and positively frame it. So rather than I'm nervous and bad things that are going to happen, think about the positive and the good things that are going to happen when you've passed.
Okay.
So rather than looking for, oh, well, if I do this and it's going to go wrong, but if I do that, it'll go right.
Oh, I
So
love
try
that.
and look for the positives
Yes.
rather than thinking about the bad things that are going to happen, because then it spirals. If there's something that you're worried about and nervous about, say really nervous about parallel parking, well, maybe that's because you need a bit more practice at it.
Okay.
So what can you do to help yourself? So between lessons, can you watch some videos? Can you make some notes? Can you think about the tips that your instructors said? Like, because quite often I find people get in the car and they go, well, I can't remember how to do it.
Okay.
So you would revise for other exams, well, why not revise for this one?
Yeah. Great tips from the world's best driving instructor.
I'm definitely not, but thanks.
Find Vicky online where? You do like videos and stuff?
Yeah, so
Let me see if I can work out how to reverse your electric car.
yeah.
Done.
TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Vicky's Driving Tuition. Or for like a sensible, more like businessy side of things, LinkedIn.
LinkedIn?
LinkedIn!
At Vicky's Driving Tuition.
Not Vicky Folland at LinkedIn. Yeah.
Find Vicky's details in the description. If you wait, let's give some scores.
Yeah.
Quick. Area. I'm going to give it a high score.
Yeah.
7.5.
Oh, okay.
Because the area is nice. It was good to look at. Good vibes, energy, ambience. Difficulty in passing here. 10 is super easy. 1 is really difficult because we're trying to find the perfect 10 driving test centre.
I think that test route was an easier test route than if you'd went through maybe the town centre.
Oh, I found that quite hard.
Oh, really?
Yeah, thinking of it from a learner's perspective.
Yeah.
It's all 70, bad roundabouts.
But there's no like right turns at traffic lights. There was no crazy spiral roundabouts. There was no like busy, like there's no bus lanes or like.
Yeah, true. It was
Yeah.
minimal traffic, so give it
Yeah.
a score.
7.
7.
Yeah.
Overall, we're going to give Darlington Driving Test Centre
An 8.
decent. Come here and pass your test. Follow Vicky online. And if you're learning to drive in Darlington or anywhere else, then this playlist that Vicky's holding right now is got all my best tips, advice, nerves, everything else that you need to know to pass your driving test. And this one that I'm holding on my body is everywhere else that I've driven on this exploration of England's driving test centres. Check it out and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, Suze. Bye!